Hey guys, so if you found your way to this video, then you probably want to learn how to do your own 24-hour stream. I just finished my first 24-hour stream and I really want to talk about the 3 biggest things that helped me. In my opinion, these tips I think are really going to help you guys, and I think you definitely should consider doing them if you're trying to set up your own 24-hour streams. All right, let's learn how to do a successful 24-hour stream. Guys, if you don't know me, my name is Michael Martino. I'm a graphic designer and content creator. I'm just getting started on my journey, but hopefully I can help you guys along the way. If you guys want to talk about stream stuff or design stuff or anything else in my videos, definitely check out the Twitch. I would love to help you guys with any questions you may have. Also, if you guys find anything in this video useful or helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out and I appreciate it. Okay, so the 3 biggest things that I learned. The 3 things that we're going to be talking about are staying healthy, engaging your audience, and research, planning, and scheduling. These 3 tips really helped me, and I definitely recommend anybody trying to set up their own 24-hour streams should use them. Okay, so number 1, staying healthy. This one I feel like is super easy to forget because when you're streaming, you're having a blast and you just kind of forget about, taking care of yourself and keeping up with everything. That being said, if you guys want to keep the experience, pleasant for yourself and for your viewers, you definitely want to stay healthy. To do this, the things that I really did were I took breaks. So on my schedule that I sent out to my viewers, I intentionally put 15-minute breaks throughout the entire stream. That way I could keep myself moving. I would get up, walk around, get coffee, snacks, whatever I needed. The second thing that I did that I think really benefited me was the night before the 24-hour stream, I got a little bit less sleep, like 6 hours. And then right before the stream, I took like a 4-hour nap and just got as much sleep as I possibly could. That way, going into the stream, I was fully rested and ready to go. Lastly, at some point, you're probably going to be drinking caffeine, whether that's energy drinks or coffee, but try to space these out. Don't over caffeinate. Don't, make yourself crash. Try to space them out strategically so that you can last for the whole 24-hour stream. Okay, so the second big tip to have a successful 24-hour stream is to engage your audience. When I say engage your audience, I mean during stream and before the stream. You really want to get people hyped for this thing, share it on social media, get the word out there. You really want people to come and just have a blast. A great way to help do this is to make it part of a special occasion. I did my 24-hour stream for my birthday, but you could do it for a holiday or a special event or cause that you're trying to support. Once you've hyped it up and people are really excited to come to the 24-hour stream, make sure you deliver, make sure you have something going on for your viewers throughout the entire 24-hour stream. That brings us to the last thing, and in my opinion, the most important is you guys have to research, plan, and schedule if you really want to have a great 24-hour stream experience. Okay, so what does this look like? For research, you really want to spend time in other people's 24-hour streams, understand, what they're doing, what the viewers like, and go from there. Also, just look into 24-hour streams and what other people have done on Google and YouTube. If you're watching this video, you're already on the right track. You're learning how to do a 24-hour stream and you're preparing yourself. For planning and scheduling, guys, just sit down and literally plan out the entire thing. I'll throw up my schedule right now, but every single hour was planned out. Like I said before, even my breaks were put into the schedule. This part is what I feel was crucial and really made my 24-hour stream a big success. My viewers knew what was going on, they knew when everything was happening, and I had something to do every hour. This really helps keep everybody occupied, and if you're worried about getting tired or running out of steam, honestly, this helps the time fly by and just keeps everything fun. Guys, whatever you do, plan and schedule, trust me. Okay, so those are the things I learned, but lastly, I want to talk about what would I do differently, if anything. Honestly, my 24-hour stream experience was amazing, and I really wouldn't change too much. The only thing that I think that I would change is at the end of the stream, I kind of started getting into just chatting and a little bit slower activities. And I think that just kind of broke the momentum a little bit and got me a little tired. So when I do my next 24-hour stream, I would honestly just have something going on exciting all the way right up to the end until we're doing the closing and all that kind of stuff. Overall, I had a blast and I would 100% do another 24-hour stream. If you guys want to learn more about the planning and setup process of doing your own 24-hour stream, I made another video on just that. I'll link the before 24-hour stream video in the cards and in the description box down below. If you guys want a great resource on the do's and don'ts of 24-hour streams, definitely check out this article by Streamer Square. I will also link this in the description down below. Guys, these were the 3 biggest tips that I really learned and that helped me with my 24-hour stream. And I hope they can help you with yours. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely stop by the Twitch. I would love to help you guys out over there. Also, we have an amazing Discord community if you guys want to ask more questions, stay up to date with what's going on, or just hang out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Good luck on your own 24-hour streams. I know you guys will do great. Go be positive, go be creative, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god! Christian's like, kill it! Die, die, die!
Oh, the stakes are in it because the ears.
Oh my god! Ew! Ew!
Oh my god.